What's up developers, it's Dari here and welcome back to a new video where we're going to cover two pretty interesting methods that are useful for sorting collections by values, which is the sort and sortDesc methods. I personally find the sort method one of the most useful methods in Laravel collections class. It basically does what the name implies. It allows you to sort the collection by its values. By default, it sorts the values in ascending order. Let's see how this works. I currently have a simple collection on my screen with integer values in random order. Let's define a new variable named sorted and let's set it equal to our collection variable and let's then chain the sort method to it. Once we perform our request, you will see that it has sorted out our collection. Now this method is useful when you need to order the data in your application based on a certain criteria. One example might be when you want to sort a list of products by their price or a list of posts by their publication date. The second method that I want to cover is the sortDesc method, which is very similar to the sort method, but with one key difference. It sorts the collection by its value, but in descending order instead of ascending order. It works in our current example as well, where we simply need to define a new variable named sortedByDesc, and let's set it equal to our collection, and let's chain the sortDesc method to it. Once we perform our request, you'll basically see that the first value is the highest number, while the last value is the lowest number. Quick summary, the sort method sorts the values in ascending order, while the sortDesc method sorts the values in descending order. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at sorting collections based on their keys. If you do like my content and you want to see more, leave this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button.